One of the biggest questions you'll ask yourself on the build journey is, what are we going to build out of? Join us on the 12th of December for a one-day building systems workshop, where we will explore all of the different types of systems that you might be thinking about. Whether it be timber frame, insulated concrete formwork, brick and block, SIPs, or any other type of system that you may have heard about but want to get more information on. We will have experts on hand for you to be able to chat to be able to find out more about the system rather than about their company. Get the information that you probably wouldn't get from the salesperson. Is this system going to perform to your expectations? Is it going to fit into the profile of your building envelope? How thick are the walls going to be? And is finance going to be affected? For all of these answers and more, join us